want to welcome everyone here. Thank everybody for stopping by for what is really the fifth demolition that we're doing here in the Mount Pleasant neighborhood to provide access to Orchard Street Park. I want to introduce David Hogenkamp from the Land Bank, which has been instrumental in terms of leveraging the resources of the city, the Attorney General's office, and the Land Bank to do some of the demolitions throughout the city, and then also restore some of the properties. Councilman John Mudaviran, who's been an advocate and a strong supporter for the renovations that we've been doing in our park system and the demolition rehabilitations that we're doing in our residential neighborhoods. Rich Paterni, Schenectady County legislator from District 1, and also, I don't know if he realized that 3 years ago, I asked him to chair the Parks and Recreation Advisory Committee, how much time he would put in. But Rich has been a great leader in terms of inventorying the problems in the parks and then working with the City Council in terms of lining up resources and making investments back in the park system in the city. And it's a holistic approach that we're using to redevelop our neighborhoods. And parks that had been abandoned and underutilized are now turning into real community assets. We want to continue to build on that. Previously, this park only had two entrances. There was a narrow walking path through the back and an alley that existed for the park. We're using $355,000 of money from the state park grant to fund and redesign access to this park and provide additional equipment. We'll also have improved lighting and public safety. Again, this is symbolic of the seriousness where we work with homeowners to fix up property, and then at the same time there's structures that have gone past their useful life, and we're looking to demolish them and create opportunities for the adjacent property. In this case, it's not only the street but the park. There's an engineering evaluation that is done on the property so that we look to see what is in the state where it can be rehabbed, and there's some where the cost-benefit analysis shows that the properties are just too far gone and that there's no practical adaptive reuse that can be done with them. And those, it's unfortunate, but we have to demolish them.